guys, my name is Wendy Madrid. This is the course English Phonetics, the tax tree, consonant and vowel sounds. Consonants. Thanks, that, very, run, show, decision, shoot, shake, job, ink, long, happy. Vowels. E, C, E, sit, E, bet, A, but, A, car, O, stop, O, door, O, foot, U, foot, A, us, er, bert, A, about. Diphthongs. A, play, I, time, Oi, noise, Ow, now, O, go, ear, dear, air, care, or, poor. Tongue twister. The sound challenge a tongue twister of English consonant. The very brave Richard thought that this huge ship should challenge direction through the thick, shining fog. Then Jane joyfully joining the voyage, singing a long, lovely song. The thunder thrilled through the waves, while their cheerful laughter echoed high on the horizon. Thank you so much. See you.